How to take a screenshot with back tap on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot just by tapping the back of your iPhone, no buttons needed. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then go into Touch. Now scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find the back tap option. Tap on that, and here you'll see two choices, double tap and triple tap. Select either one based on your preference. Once you choose one, a list of actions will appear. Scroll down and tap on Screenshot from the list. That's it, you've just set your iPhone to take a screenshot whenever you double or triple tap the back of your device. To test it out, just go to any screen and lightly double tap or triple tap the back of your phone near the Apple logo, and boom, it'll instantly capture a screenshot. This feature is super useful if your physical buttons are worn out, or if you just want a faster, one-handed way to take screenshots. You can also assign other actions like Control Center, Lock Screen, or even shortcuts if you want more customization. And that's how you enable and use back tap to take screenshots on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more iPhone tricks like this.